Alrighty, so let's get started with our 2021 Panini Black Basketball Random Team One Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Brian in the top spot and Joe in the bottom spot. Alrighty, so Anthony's got the Nets. Bernardo has the Hawks, the Heat, the Nuggets, and the Thunder. Ben's got the Rockets. Brian has the 76ers. Casey has the Celtics. Daniel has the Blazers. Eric has the Hornets, the Lakers, and the Suns. Hector's got the Bucks, the Kings, and the Knicks. Jason has the Clippers. Jim has the Mavericks, the Pacers, the Pistons, the Raptors, and the Warriors. Joe has the Bulls, the Cavaliers, the Spurs, the Timberwolves, and the Wizards. Keith has the Jazz. Lawrence has the Grizzlies, and Mike has the Magic and the Pelicans. All right, now that we've been through our list, let's open up our box and see who we get. So our first card is Onyeka Nkwonu, rookie for the Hawks. And that is serial numbered 16 of 65. And then next, we have a Tyrese Maxey rookie for the 76ers. And it's numbered 2 of 5. 2 of 5. How about that? Nice low number parallel. Tyrese Maxey for the 76ers. And then our first base card is Draymond Green for the Warriors. And that is serial numbered 68 of 149. And then next is a Tyrese Halliburton rookie for the Kings. And it is serial numbered 18 of 149. It's kind of hard to pick up that 18 because it's on his shoe. You'll just have to trust me. 18 of 149 for the Kings. And then lastly, our rookie jersey autograph, Skylar Mays for the Hawks. And that is serial number 20 of 49. Let me get out a bigger card sleeve for that. I forgot to get out the big sleeves. There's the serial number right by the sticker, 20 of 49. Dual jersey rookie autograph for the Hawks. Alrighty, so now that we have been through all 5 of our cards, let's go back to our list and see who got which ones. So first is our Draymond Green base card for the Warriors. And that goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. And then next is our Tyrese Halliburton base rookie, serial number to 149 for the Kings. And that goes to Hector. Congratulations on that, Hector. And then next is our rookie card parallel of Onyeka Okongwu, serial number to 65 for the Hawks. And that goes to Bernardo. Congrats on that, Bernardo. Also for the Hawks is our Skylar Mays dual jersey autograph. So you get 2 cards with that spot, Bernardo. Congrats on that. And then lastly is our Tyrese Maxey rookie card parallel, serial number 2 of 5 for the 76ers. And that goes to Brian. How about that? Congrats on that, Brian. Fantastic. Awesome. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2021 Panini Black Basketball Random Team 1-Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in just a couple of minutes with our 2021 Panini Black Football Random Player 1-Box Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody. Alrighty, there's our black football box. Give me just a couple of minutes to get the random set up. I know we're running a few minutes behind. Just a few moments to get that set, and we'll get started.